What's up everyone? Welcome back to MMC Defense. Today's video is going to be a really cool one because we're talking about a vehicle that can drive on land and swim through the ocean. Yes, you heard that right. This is the US Marine Corps' new Amphibious Combat Vehicle, the ACV, and it's just been deployed to Japan, in Okinawa, to strengthen America's military readiness in the Indo-Pacific region. So in today's video, we're going to break down what makes this vehicle so special, why it matters, and exactly why it's being sent to Japan. Make sure you watch till the end. So here's the deal. The US Marine Corps has recently deployed its new ACV vehicles to Okinawa, Japan. These vehicles belong to the 3rd Marine Division and arrived at Naha Military Port. This deployment is part of America's broader Indo-Pacific strategy, aimed at improving how quickly Marine forces can move between islands and respond to potential crises in the region. These vehicles are replacing the older AAV, the Assault Amphibious Vehicle, which had been in service for decades. Alright, let's get into the specs. What actually makes this vehicle special? Build and design. The ACV was built by Iveco and BAE Systems based on the Iveco Super AV platform. It weighs around 32 tons. Size, length, about 9.2 meters, width 3.1 meters, height 2.9 meters, crew and capacity. It carries a crew of 3, driver, commander, and gunner, plus 13 fully equipped Marines. That's 16 people on board in total. Weapon system. On top, it's fitted with a remote-controlled weapon station, RCWs, which can mount an M2 Browning machine gun or an MK-19 grenade launcher. Basically, this means the gunner can operate the weapon from inside the vehicle using a remote system, which keeps them much safer than being exposed on top. Engine and power. It runs on an Iveco Cursor 16 engine, producing 700 horsepower. Speed. On road, around 105 kilometers per hour. In water, around 11 kilometers per hour. Range. On land, roughly 523 kilometers. In water, about 14 nautical miles, roughly 26 kilometers. The big feature, amphibious capability. The standout feature of this vehicle is that this 8-wheeled machine can drive straight off a ship and swim through the water. It's specifically designed to safely carry Marines from ship to shore over shorter distances, not for covering long stretches of open ocean. Now let's talk about why this is being sent to Japan. Okinawa is a key strategic location in the Indo-Pacific region. The US is strengthening its military presence here to improve deterrence and response capability across the region. This deployment is part of America's broader Indo-Pacific strategy, giving Marine forces the ability to move faster between islands and react quickly to any crisis. These vehicles are a clear sign that the Marine Corps is upgrading its aging equipment for a more modern, capable force. So that's it for today's video on the US Marine Corps' new ACV. Hope you found this breakdown useful. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the ACV is actually a real upgrade over the old AAV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy videos on military vehicles and defense tech, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.